Okay, students, this should be Tuesday, January 20, or sorry, 19. Okay, before we get started on our so-called Fun Friday activity, I just want to go over this assignment calendar with you. I'm trying to make that bigger and I can't, but you should have this paper right in front of you, and I've also put a copy of it in our Lyddie materials. So basically, the far left column tells you the day these things are due. That means that's when it has to be completed by. Okay? So last Friday, what was due is chapter 1. Okay, you should have had chapter 1 read, the notes done, and text-based questions finished. And I asked you to read chapter 2 over the weekend, so you should have chapter 2 questions finished. And then by the end of today, you will have your reader's notes done. There are no text-based questions for that one. Okay, so I'm going to put a check that you did this. Okay, I did that, and I did that. Students, please don't move on to chapter 2 unless you finish chapter 1. Okay, now I have posted a video for chapter 2 that will walk you through the chapter and walk you through the reader's notes. So as I said, there are no reader-based questions for that chapter. Okay, I want you to follow this schedule. As you can see here this week, I guess it's tomorrow we do chapter 2, Wednesday chapter 3, but then by Thursday I'm increasing it, okay? Chapters 4. Chapter 5 you don't actually have to read, but you do have to read the reader's notes that I provide. I've assigned over the weekend chapter 6 and 7. This is for you to read. You take the text home and work on the questions. If you have internet access, you can listen to the audio. Those of you who don't, you go to a public library and you can get it there. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. Also, if you don't have internet at home, you have to plan ahead. Okay, you can stay after school. You don't have to wait until the weekend to do this. Okay, you can work on this on tonight, today after school. You can work on it tomorrow after school. You can stay after school and use the school's internet and work ahead. It's a matter of planning ahead. So by the time Monday morning arrives, Monday's the 25th, you should be finished with all of that. Okay? So we start school on Monday, and then again 2 chapters a day, and we start really hurrying up more toward the end. February 1st we have 3 chapters, February 2nd 3. And so again, if 3 chapters is too much, you're going to have to pace yourself. You will have all the materials. Okay, I'm giving you the text to read. They all have reader's notes, and like I said, some of the questions have text-based questions, but not all of them. All right, so I want you right now to check off what you've gotten done. Now, if you worked hard last week, you should be able to check off, yes, I read chapter 1, yes, I completed my reader's notes, and yes, I answered the text-based questions. If you did your homework, you should be able to say, yes, I read chapter 2. Okay? All right.